Hello everyone, my name is Christine and I will be presenting Lady, a benchmark toolkit for Lantern aspect detection. So I'm going to start with an introduction of what is aspect and Lantern aspect. So within the realm of review analysis, an aspect is a target of which the review expresses opinions and sentiments on. And Lantern aspects are those aspects that do not have an explicit form within the sentences. So for example, on the right, the aspect seller is inferred using the context that the customer was making the order. And currently, although there are many aspect detection research, there are not a lot of libraries that allows a standardized evaluation across the different aspect detection models, and especially for Lantern aspect detection. So this toolkit aims to fill that gap by providing that unified platform for fair comparison between the different models, and also enhance the model's ability for Lantern aspect detection through augmentation via backtranslation. This is the general workflow of the Lady framework, and for the sake of time, I will be focusing on two main parts. For the first part is data augmentation for the training datasets. So at the beginning, the raw dataset is translated to another language other than English, and then back translated into English. We hope that by utilizing the different vocabulary and also language and syntax structures of the languages, we are able to uncover the Lantern aspects and also clarify the context of the sentence so that it's easier for the trained models to detect the Lantern aspects. At the end, the semantic and term alignments are used so that the augmented reviews still remain semantically similar and have the appropriate aspect labels. And after training the models, we reaches the evaluation stage of the framework. At this stage, for Lantern aspect detection, the aspect of the testing datasets are removed so that to mimic the presence of Lantern aspects. And the framework will use the model to infer and return the top K most probable aspects. And in the hyperparameters, we also allow researchers to adjust the percentage of Lantern aspects within the testing datasets. And also for researchers to easily integrate any new datasets and models, we provide two main abstract classes so that the methods can be overwritten for the integration. For the review, generally, we allow the researchers to overwrite the methods to load the data sets into the framework to make it into a suitable format. And for the models, the researchers can overwrite the load, train, infer part of the methods. And at the end, specifically the augmentation and evaluation portion that I mentioned previously will be handled by the toolkit itself. So currently, Lady contains 5 datasets, mostly in the restaurant and laptop domain, 7+ models, mostly models for topic modeling, aspect extraction, and text classification, and also 2 translators to aid the process of backtranslation. And additionally, because this toolkit is still in active development, we hope that in the future, we will be able to incorporate new datasets and models that focus specifically for Lantern aspect detection. And also, we hope to expand the toolkit to accommodate other tasks with the field of review analysis, particularly sentiment analysis and opinion mining. At the end of the presentation, I want to thank the SIGIR 2024 conference for supporting this presentation with the SIGIR Student Travel Grant. If you would like to learn more about this toolkit, the code base is shown as a QR code at the bottom, and the paper is shown as a QR code at the top. I will also be having a poster presentation on Wednesday from 2 to 5:30 p.m. Thank you.